Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the calculator and Photos apps not opening on Windows 11. First, restart your computer. This clears temporary problems that can stop apps from opening. After the restart, try opening the calculator and Photos apps again. If the apps still do not open, right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Find Calculator or Photos in the list. Click on the app and choose End Task. Close Task Manager and try opening the app again. Next, right-click the Start button and open Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Calculator. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Click Repair and wait for it to finish. If the app still does not open, go back and click Reset. Do the same steps for the Photos app. If repairing and resetting did not help, open the Microsoft Store. Search for Calculator and install it again if needed. Then search for Microsoft Photos and reinstall it as well. Now we will check System Files. Click Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the window, type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete and then restart your PC. Finally, make sure Windows is fully updated. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. After completing these steps, the Calculator and Photos apps should open and work normally on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.